How to see someone's repost on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can see other people's repost and also repost yourself on TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna open up your TikTok application on your mobile phone. It can be your Android or iOS. So once you get to your TikTok app, you're gonna go to your profile. Inside your profile, you're going to click on these three lines at the top. Then you're going to select Setting and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, you will get the second option, which is Privacy. Now you can scroll down and you will get the Interactions. In Interactions, we have different options. We have comment, mentions, direct message, and others. So here we will get the Repost option. So you will turn on your repost on TikTok. Once you do that, then you will be able to repost and also check the repost of others. Now keep in mind, we can only check the repost of someone if we follow them. So if you do not follow them, you won't be able to see it, and they also have to follow you back. So this way we can check the repost and also repost ourselves on TikTok. And if you want to repost, click on this share button right here, and then you will get the first option, which is repost. You can see right here. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.